You can really smell the jalapeno because it's infused. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. All right, so we're gonna make a pair of spicy margaritas. This is some Casamigos Reposado infused with fresh jalapenos. So we leave it in there to infuse for a couple days, give it that nice spice. Normally I would muddle it up. This is a different way to make it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna splash of lime juice. Splash of lime juice. Fill that. I do a splash of orange. Fill the rest with sour mix. Can't forget the triple sec orange liqueur. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll give each a good shake. Good shake. You can really smell the jalapeno because it's infused. You already do the work you need. We're gonna garnish these with a lime. And we're good to go. But instead of having to muddle it, it's already infused. And then when you give it that good shake, it really expresses that jalapeno in